In an effort to maintain a safe and clean learning environment for students and staff, the cleaning and sanitizing of district campuses will fall under 3 categories: daily cleaning, enhanced cleaning, and disinfecting cleaning. Let's look at general examples of these 3 cleaning categories. First, day custodial staff will provide daily cleaning support for classrooms and buildings. This includes but is not limited to light-duty work such as emptying of waste baskets and sanitizing of restroom facilities. Enhanced cleaning will include the sanitizing of electronic equipment and all high-touch areas such as doors, switch plates, desks, and spot cleaning carpets. In cases of a positive confirmed COVID-19 case, a facilities management disinfecting cleaning crew will be dispatched to the campus to perform a disinfection cleaning, which includes the use of an electrostatic sprayer throughout the entire site. Additional deep clean protocols will be followed for that campus in compliance with CDC recommendations. Additional cleaning will take place after hours with night crews to include light duty, vacuuming, and disinfecting all restrooms. For a more detailed description of cleaning and sanitizing of school campuses, review the Hybrid Implementation Guide located online at ccsd.net.